Imagine zipping home, your EV low on juice, but charging becomes effortless and lightning fast. Today we're diving into the top 5 home EV chargers on Amazon. Game changers that cut charging times, sync with smart homes, and trim energy costs. From budget gems to future-proof pros, we've tested them all to boost your EV life. We'll cover key features, pros, cons, and why they're must-haves. Stick around for our top pick that redefines reliability. Let's charge ahead, starting from number 5. Kicking off at number 5 is the Wallbox Pulsar Plus Level 2 Electric Vehicle Smart Charger, a compact powerhouse for fast, smart charging without the bulk. This 40-amp unit charges up to 8 times faster than Level 1, delivering up to 11.5 kilowatts of adjustable power for efficient home sessions. Its matte black 7.8-inch wide design is ultra slim, fitting tight spaces with IP-rated weatherproofing for indoor-outdoor use. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the My Wallbox app. Schedule off-peak charges, track usage, and voice control with Alexa or Google Home. UL and Energy Star certified, it includes safety protections and a 25-foot cable for easy reach. Adjustable from 16A to 40A, it matches your electrical setup. Why need it? Slow charging wastes time. This optimizes efficiency, saves money, and integrates seamlessly into smart homes. The app is clean, cable-thin, but it's pricey and max output tweaks require opening the unit. At 20 pounds, it's durable yet light, perfect for modern EV drivers seeking convenience. Up next at number 4, the Grizzl-E Mini Connect Level 1-2 Portable Electric Vehicle Charger, a rugged, affordable traveler built for versatility. Made in Canada, it delivers up to 40 amps and 9.6 kilowatt, charging 7 times faster than basics, adding up to 30 miles per hour. Super portable at 9.8 pounds and 3.1 by 6.9 by 2.4 inches, it fits in a soft case with 4 adapters for any outlet, from 120 volt to 240 volt. Adjustable amperage prevents overloads, and the 25-foot J1772 cable handles -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. UL certified with GFCI and full protections, it auto-recovers after outages. OCPP-compatible app schedules charges, tracks costs, and works offline. Why essential? Unreliable public spots frustrate. This enables fast, flexible charging anywhere, saving time and cash. Customers love its ease and cold weather durability. Minor app lacks polish, but for the price, it's unbeatable dual-level freedom for on-the-go EV owners. At number 3, the Tesla Universal Wall Connector, a versatile beast for seamless, future-ready charging. It pumps up to 48 amps and 11.5 kilowatt, adding 44 miles per hour across North American EVs. Dual plug innovation. Built-in locked adapter switches between NEACS and J1772 effortlessly, no lost parts. Slim 24-foot cable maneuvers easily with variable amperage for your breaker. Wi-Fi connects to the Tesla app for updates, remote control, and power sharing up to 6 units. Track energy, schedule sessions, and secure access. Why get it? Adapter hassles slow you down. This ensures quick, compatible charges for mixed fleets evolving with your needs. UL-listed safety shines, though cost tracking is basic. Premium priced, but app integration and flexibility make it ideal for multi-EV homes, boosting efficiency without future upgrades. Number 2, the EMPORIA IOA Level 2 EV Charger, a value-packed performer with smart muscle. Up to 48 amps hardwired or 46 miles per hour, or 40 amps plugged, 38 miles per hour, it's 9 times faster than outlets. Compact white design installs easily indoors or outdoors with 25-foot J1772 or NEACS cable compatible with all EVs. App monitors data, schedules off-peak, and links to Smart Car for load management via Affordable View add-on. Avoids breaker issues cheaply. UL and Energy Star certified with protections. Why vital? High costs and slow charges hurt. This tracks utility plans precisely, optimizes savings, and delivers high power affordably. App graphs are detailed, though cluttered for non-users. Plug-in flexibility adds portability, a steal for budget drivers going green efficiently. Our top pick, ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 EV Charger, the reliable champ for smart, speedy home power. Hardwired up to 80 amps delivers 37 miles per hour, 9 times faster than 110 volt via J1772 for non-Tesla EVs, with Tesla adapter. Sleek black unit is UL certified for indoor or outdoor with cold-resistant cable. App excels, graphs rates, tracks costs with utility plans, schedules off-peak, and integrates public networks, 274,000 plus stations. Add a vehicle for tailored stats. Why crucial? Spotty public charging drains wallets. This provides confident, fast home sessions with 24/7 support. Built-in cord management simplifies use. Pricey and needs hard wiring for some, but nuanced tracking and ease make it unbeatable for enhanced EV ownership. Wrapping up our top 5 home EV chargers, ChargePoint HomeFlex reigns as best overall for its stellar app, fast 37 miles per hour charging, and public network integration, perfect for smart, reliable power. EMPORIA shines on a budget with 48A output, load management, and precise tracking to dodge upgrades and save cash. Tesla Universal future-proofs with dual NEACS and J1772 adapters and power sharing for mixed EVs. Grizzl-E Mini excels in portability and durability for travel-ready flexibility. Wallbox Pulsar Plus offers compact design and voice control for seamless smart home vibes. Pick based on needs, smart tech, affordability, or versatility for faster, greener drives over public spots.